Welcome to Aloha 3D Printing, where the only limit to your imagination is your creativity. Experience the mind-blowing possibilities and incredible creations of 3D printing. With Aloha 3D Printing, you can bring your wildest dreams to life in stunning detail. Imagine holding a personalized figurine of yourself or gifting a loved one a custom-made piece of jewelry. With 3D printing, the power is in your hands to design and create unique, one-of-a-kind items that reflect your individuality and style. But the wonders of 3D printing don't stop there. Aloha 3D Printing also offers the opportunity to revolutionize industries like healthcare and engineering. From prosthetic limbs to intricate architectural models, 3D printing is transforming the way we solve complex problems and improve lives. So whether you're a creative enthusiast or an industry professional, Aloha 3D Printing is here to unlock the full potential of this cutting-edge technology. Embrace the limitless possibilities and let your imagination take flight with Aloha 3D Printing.